I knew I'd find you here. You always leave when you can't feel. You tell me to leave you alone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know the deal. If you haven't subscribed, you don't want to join this like queen family, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button beside left, right, left, right, left, left, right side beside you, okay? And also hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a brand new video, something like this, when I have a slay makeup, you know, a new slay makeup, you know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, with that being said, if you are returning oldie goodie, what's up? Before I rambling a lot, guys, let's just take a moment to give this makeup some accolades. I need some accolades. Anyway guys, today I'm coming up to you with the first fall makeup 2018 years. I'm really feeling this look right now. To achieve this look, guys, it was super easy and super affordable. I used the Makeup Revolution makeup palette. I can't remember the name now, so I'm going to be showing you everything on this video, and which I'm really excited about. And this makeup tutorial is also slash first impression on some new product which I tried on this video, and which I'm not mad at all. With that being said, like always, all the products I use is going to be listed in the description box. Please do go and check it out if there is anything you want to know. Alright, with that being said, like always, if you're interested, you want to see how I put this look together, you already know what to do. Just keep watching. No long talking. Don't forget to do you. Don't forget to glow. Stay pretty, stay blessed, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, love it, ciao. Mwah. So to start up with this makeup look, I'm going to be applying the Urbandecay primer portion in the shade called Eden. I'm going to be applying that all over my eyelid. To achieve this makeup look, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Pro Regeneration eyeshadow palette, and for my transition color, I'm going to be taking this shade right here called Transit. This shade right here.
You tell me to leave you alone, but I can't stay away.
The next shade I'm going to be taking this shade called Orbital. This shade right here, kind of funny name.
Telling me no, I know I should let you be, but I keep on thinking.
So for more depth, for more smoky, I'm going to be taking this shade right here called Black Hole.
But I keep on thinking of you and me, thinking of you and me.
Apply that direct exactly into my crease. I'm not going to transfer it to any other place. It's going to stick to into my crease, my outer crease. I'm just blending it out with the excess product I have on the brush. So yeah, this is how I want the look to look like. I'm going to be applying a little bit of Elegant concealer on my crease, and in the shade Warm Sand, I'm basically just cutting my crease, just half cut crease, not that much, but I don't really want the crease to be really precise. And for my lid color, I don't really know which shade I'm going for, but I believe I'm going for Star. This shade right here, kind of a beautiful, very classic purple, if I'm not mistaken. The shade is called Star. So I'm going to go in once again with that Black Hole. I'm just going to dip in it just a little bit more.
I knew I'd find you here.
So far I'm loving the eyeshadow palette, just that the color I apply on my lid, it wasn't that pigmy, so I have to go over again to keep building it to my taste. So for lashes, you guys know me by now. If you have been watching me for quite some time now, you know I love my good lashes from Amazon. Super duper affordable and last long as well. Okay, when I started YouTube newly, I was really buying really expensive lashes, so at the end of the day maybe I use it once or twice and they just, I don't know, they got spoiled, so I have to replace it, and which is quite a bit expensive, so I don't have money to spend so much on lashes, so I better look for a good one on Amazon that lasts me longer. So that is why I switch up to these set lashes, and this one is €12.99. So yeah, and I'm going to be trying, everything is the same, all of them are the same shape. So this is my first time of trying something like this because it's a bit dramatic. So guys, I'm not really comfortable with the liquid eyeliner. I'm going to be applying this Maybelline Lasting Drama automatic gel pencil. I'm just going to apply that on top of my lash band because I'm not really sure. So I'm going to be applying the same gel eye pencil to my waterline. This gel pencil is not really much different with the gel liner, the one I always use. So yeah, this is just a pencil, the other one is a liquid, if that makes sense. So guys, it's not so easy with these big dramatic lashes, but we are going to make our way out. Now I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to move straight ahead and prime my face. So guys, to prime my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Prime Pro Mattifying Primer. I'm just going to apply that all over my face. This is going to be the first time I'm going to be trying this primer. I tried it at the back of my hand when I got it, but it was matte, so let's see how it's going to work on my face with the foundation. So guys, for foundation, I'm going to be mixing two foundation. I love to do this over again. I'm going to be using the Urbandecay All Nighter Waterproof Liquid Foundation in the shade number 11, and this one is the MAC Matchmaster Foundation in number 8. This is SP15. This is a bit dewy, this is a bit matte, so everything is going to do the job. Apply the Urbandecay All Nighter Waterproof Foundation. I'm going to be using my NYX professional makeup brush. I'm just going to apply 2 pumps because this one is a full coverage. So yeah, and then I go ahead and apply the MAC Matchmaster Foundation. I'm going to be applying 2 pumps as well. So yes. So I'm still going to be using my beauty blender to remove the excess product, and at the same time it's going to give me a flawless finish. All night waterproof full coverage concealer. This is from Urbandecay as well, and in the shade Dark Natural. This is going to be my first time of trying this product. I'm super curious because I love concealer, I love full coverage concealer.
You always leave when you can't feel. You tell me to leave you alone.
Let that sit 2 to 3 minutes, and while that is sitting, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face. To do that, I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder New Dimension Shape Plus Sculpture Concealer, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here. okay, let's give this concealer a little bit of accolades. Okay, this concealer needs some accolades. I'm going to be giving this concealer 4 point, and is because it dries very fast, which is okay. It's a very full coverage concealer, and which it claims to be, and is doing the job. So that is why I'm giving it 4.4 star. Okay, so to set under my eye, I'm going to be using the Sacha buttercup. To set my contour, I'm going to be using this MAC Natural Changer, this one right here. I'm going to be using a smaller brush to contour my nose, which is the E-Cosmetic flat big brush. So to set my whole face, I'm going to be using the Naked Skin definition powder foundation. I'm going to be using this. This is by Urbandecay as well. I'm just going to set it like so. Just dab. This you can also use as a blush. So this shade right here, these two shades, I'm just going to swap it like so, both together and mix it. I do love to use it sometimes when I don't really know the kind of blush I want to use. Eyelash, I'm going to be taking the same shade from the Makeup Revolution, which is a shade called Transit. Set my makeup in place. I'm going to be using the MAC Fix Matte. It is going to make my face matte, same time a bit dewy because my face is a bit powderish now. So I'm just going to shake the product first before I spray it on my top. At the top it has this kind of transparent water, and at the bottom it has this kind of chalk look, if that makes sense, if that what you call it, chalk. Anyways, I'm just going to shake to mix everything, to dilute everything together. Okay, so now I'm going to be spraying it. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my face. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Glow, that glow kit. I'm going to be taking a smaller brush to highlight my inner corner. Mascara on my bottom lashes, which is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So for my lips, you guys know from Love Lip Offer, I'm just going to line my lips around. So for lipstick, I'm going to be using this Givenchy lipstick, and the name of this one is called Elegant Wrong in number 18. This is how it looks like.
I knew I'd find you.
And this is not a matte lipstick, it's a bit dewy lipstick.
Where should I let you go?